lot of creativity, I guess. And then when I stopped, everyone thought I was going to write, you know, a shopping novel. And I tried to, but I couldn't. I just needed my kind of pyramid of facts behind me. And when I didn't have that, I was lost. So anyway, so I carried on freelancing. But I enjoyed feature writing because writing profiles of people, it's a bit like a biography. And I used to feel sorry for poor reporters. I mean, just height, width, depth, sub-editors.
And would you have, for your profiles, would you have spent an hour with a person or several interviews over days and weeks?
Well, celebrities are notorious and selfish with their time, of course. They usually come from America to London for, you know, a press banquet. And if you're very lucky, if you work for a high-profile paper, you have them alone for an hour, with perhaps a PR sitting nervously in the corner. I remember Diana Ross had about 4 PRs in the corner. And so it was like that. Sometimes, if you got on very well with them, like I did with Shirley Temple, believe it or not, so we spent the whole afternoon together. And then occasionally I'd be sent off to do, like my editor got it into his head that I should go to South America because he'd read somewhere in the foreign press that a baby had been born to a 9-year-old girl in Colombia.
No, Brazil.
Brazil, yes.